I'm at the seashell. I've run through the clean out to the left side of the building when you're pulling in on your left. I'm actually 90 feet now into the main line. I do have water running from behind me, which should clear up so we can see that you can see all the water flowing. We've almost got a full pipe now. There's a couple small sags that are in the line, but I'm not concerned with it. Before we only had about a quarter pipe running. Now, as you can see, we got almost a whole pipe running. The water's just flying down through here. Just going to record all the way back so we can make sure I don't see any cracks or breaks or anything in the pipe. When we started, it was about 3/4 filled with dirt. Now we can actually see almost the whole pipe. A couple small places where we're going to drop underwater where there's just a very slight sag, which is common with PVC for this length of a run. Beautiful, man. You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
I don't know if you looked at it when we first started, but it was 3/4 full of dirt. You can see where the jetter's been hitting the sides of the pipe. See how clean that pipe is? Counter on the bottom left tells us how far we are, so we should be getting close to a 90 now, which is why you see the water turbulence there.
The last guy that you sent out here,
Bob,
I'd
yeah.
be interested to know exactly what he did, because the damn site shouldn't fill up that quick.
Not unless there's something broken in here, which I don't see anywhere. So I'm going to go the opposite way now and run up under the house. So obviously, you know, we're underwater because we're running water in here. We already hit this too. That's why there's just a very, very small amount of debris in here. We got, what, tubs and showers running, guys?
Still want them?
Oh, yeah.
You can shut them down. And then I'll record on the way out.
I'll go turn this other one off.
Tiny little piece of plastic,
Yeah,
but that's not very big. So as of the date and the time of this video, I don't see anything cracked. I don't see anything broken. We removed 95% of dirt out of the line. It was just packed full.
Yeah, I suspected that. Would that be another cause of our problem, right?
Everything's beautiful as of now, man.
Well, I can see it. But I mean, that's
I'm just going to go all the way to the other side of the building. I'll wait for the water to stop, and then I'll record this under the building, too. Looks like little cellophane pill packs somebody put down there, but that's not going to cause it to back up.
okay.
That's going to go up to a tub right there, so we're going to wait for the water to stop. All right, so the water stopped. I'm all the way on the other side. I'm just going to camera out to the clean out. You can see how nice and beautiful and round this pipe is.
Hey,
It looks good. Pipes under the building look great. It is, man. I'll send you the video too. You can see it. I'm recording this now. It looks awesome. Everything is clean.
how far into the building is it? I mean, it's all
I
the way
went
to the other
42
end.
feet.
Yeah, so it's all the way to the other end, and then
I went all the way to the other end.
Yeah.
There's still a teeny tiny little bit of dirt, but it's not enough for me to. I'm not concerned about it.
Well, if this stuff gets flowing the way it's supposed to, what's left in there is going to be flushed out by the everyday usage, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sure.
When you got that much in there, you get to a point where you're just pushing it this way and then pulling it back.
Yep.
Pushing this way, pulling it
Yep.
back. Pushing it, pulling it. So I mean, you could kill yourself and get that remaining 5% out, but normal usage is going to be fine.
There you are.
All right, I'm going to conclude
That's
the video.
understandable.